Welcome. Today we'll show you how to easily view the pages you follow on X, Twitter, using your Android device. It's important to stay connected with the accounts and pages that interest you to make the most of your Twitter experience. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the X app on your Android device. This will allow you to access your Twitter account and explore the pages you follow. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This action will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account details and settings. Once on your profile page, look for and tap on the following option located under your name. This will direct you to a list of the accounts and pages you are following on Twitter. Within the following section, you'll find a comprehensive list of the pages you follow, giving you easy access to their tweets and updates. By following these simple steps, you can conveniently view the pages you follow on X, Twitter, allowing you to engage with the content that matters to you. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to view the pages you follow on X, Twitter, using your Android device. Stay connected with your favorite accounts and pages to enhance your Twitter browsing experience.